marunong ka na talaga magbihis, ha? Tignan natin kung kakayanin mo pa yan. Opa, good job! Nakapagsuot ka na ng damit, ha? Where are you going? Ha?
Oh, Michael too.
It's beautiful. Ba't pangalis mo yan, anak? That's for SM. Hindi pa tayo tupi. Tignan mo. Dinoble-doble mo na yung mga damit mo. May bata. Oh, bad mo na yan.
I did that.
Yeah, you did it. Good job.
Mom, help me.
No,
Huh?
you can do it. Hindi marunong maghubad.
I can help. I did it.
Yeah,
I
you
did
did
it,
it.
Mommy.
Good job. Anong halukayin mo dyan? Enough na yan, anak. Huwag ka na maghalukay.
This one. Good nice.
What color is that?
Yeah.
No, it's not yellow.
Uh-oh.
Orange. Good job. Orange niya.
Mine's a baby.
It's yours.
Huh? Come on.
No, it's a blouse.
A baby.
No, it's not, baby. It's not a dress. It's a blouse.
Wow.
Yeah.
Go.
For top.
Welcome.
Huwag mo na pakialamanan dyan. Kalkalin mo na naman damitan mo. Ahay, ang dami ko na nang lugpitin nga eh. Di pa ako nakapagtupi, oh. Kakalat ka na naman.
Are you nice?
Yes. That's from Nanang Annabelle. Huwag mo nang pagtatanggalin nga. Scarlett, ah. You're not listening na naman. Return mo na tong kinalat mo. Dali. Return mo na yan.
No, bye.
Fold mo na yan and then you return there at your closet. Come on.
Nice.
Untog ka, ha?
No.
Suotin na naman niya. Paborito niya yan. What's that? It's Melody?
No, mommy.
What color is that?
Purple.
Good job.
Good day.
Mabihis naman ang... Baba, ang galing ah.
Mommy.
Oh, bakit? A face here.
Huh?
Shoot mo kasi yung hand mo dyan. Shoot mo dito yung hand mo. Yeah. And then, ano ba naman yan? First time niya magbihis na siya lang mag-isa. Yeah, you did! Good job! You did it! Give me 5. Give me 5 muna, dali. Big girl ka na nga. Huwag ka na magkalkal dyan. Mag-shoes ka pa talaga? Masira yan!
Huh?
Masira, huwag kang ganyanin.
I did it.
Yay, good job. Very good.
Look, the baby,
Is it heavy?
the big.
What's big?
Huge.
Kita ba yung mga tupiin ko? Hindi ko pa natupi. Say, ayun ka na.
Huh?
Thank you for watching, guys.
The video.
Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for supporting us.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching.
Bye, she's. Bye.
Bye. See you for my next video. I know how to dress up na. Ready to school ka na?
Yeah.
Oh, ready to school. Oh, bye-bye na.
Bye.
Wala ka naman dito eh. Okay, go. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Flying kiss na. Bye.
Mwah.
Say bye.
Bye. Open his
I
mommy.
love you, guys.
Love you, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Video.
Video. Good job.